Welcome to our ultimate travel guide. Here at Knowledge Vault, we believe that life is a journey best spent exploring the wonders of our planet. Today, we're exploring the best places to visit before you die, those special locations that stir the soul and leave an imprint on the human spirit. So join us as we embark on an unforgettable adventure to some of Earth's most captivating corners. Our journey begins in the Coral Sea off the coast of Australia, where we find a sprawling underwater kingdom, the Great Barrier Reef. Imagine, if you will, a world of vibrant colour. Schools of fish, a kaleidoscope of brilliance, weave through intricate coral formations. Reef sharks patrol their territory, while gentle sea turtles glide effortlessly through the crystal-clear waters. This is a place where life, in all its diversity, flourishes. The Great Barrier. Reef is not merely a feast for the eyes, it's a vital ecosystem, a delicate balance of life that supports a staggering array of creatures. Yet this underwater Eden faces a myriad of threats, from climate change to pollution. Its very existence serves as a potent reminder of the importance of conservation, a call to action for us to protect this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. We journey now high into the Andes Mountains of Peru, where an ancient city whispers tales of a lost civilization. Hidden for centuries, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies Machu Picchu, a testament to the ingenuity and power of the Inca Empire. As you stand amongst these stone ruins, feel the weight of history surround you. Picture the skilled hands that cut and placed these stones, creating a city that has stood the test of time. The Incas built more than just structures. They crafted a city that blended seamlessly with the dramatic landscape. Terraces cling to the mountainsides, a testament to their agricultural prowess, while temples point skyward, reflecting their deep spiritual connection to the natural world. And as you gaze out over the cloud forest below, the breathtaking views will stay etched in your memory long after you've left this magical place. Our next destination takes us to the heart of the American Southwest, to a place where the Earth's history unfolds before your very eyes. Carved over millennia by the relentless force of the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon is a testament to the power of nature and the passage of time. Words simply cannot do justice to the sheer scale of this natural wonder. As you stand at the rim, gaze down into the depths of the canyon, its layers of rock revealing millions of years of geological history. Each shade of red, ochre and gold tells a story of ancient seas, shifting deserts, and the forces that have shaped our planet. The Grand Canyon is more than just a hole in the ground. It's a humbling reminder of our place within the vastness of time and the enduring power of the natural world. Our quest for unforgettable experiences leads us north, to the icy landscapes within the Arctic Circle. Here, under a sky often cloaked in darkness, nature unveils one of its most awe-inspiring spectacles, the aurora borealis, or northern lights. Imagine a night sky suddenly ablaze with vibrant hues of green, blue and purple, dancing and shimmering like celestial flames. The northern lights are a celestial ballet, a symphony of light orchestrated by the interaction of solar wind and our planet's magnetic field. It's a humbling reminder of the vastness of space and the interconnectedness of our universe. To witness this ethereal display is to experience a profound sense of wonder, a reminder of the beauty and mystery that lie beyond our everyday world. Our final destination takes us to the plains of East Africa, to a land teeming with life in its rawest form, the Serengeti. Here, vast herds of wildebeest, zebra and gazelle roam free, their hooves drumming a primal rhythm across the savannah. Lions stalk their prey, while elephants lumber across the plains, their very presence shaping the landscape around them. The Serengeti is a place of unparalleled biodiversity, where life and death play out in a delicate balance every single day. And then there's the Great Migration, a spectacle of nature so grand, so awe-inspiring that it defies description. Millions of wildebeest, driven by instinct, embark on an epic journey across the savannah in search of fresh grazing lands. To witness this mass movement of animals is to witness the very pulse of life itself, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Thanks for joining us on this journey to some of the world's most remarkable destinations. We hope these incredible locations have inspired you to explore our planet and create your own unforgettable travel memories. Remember, life is short and the world is vast and waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your travel dreams in the comments below. Perhaps your suggestions will inspire our next adventure.